Imagine falling into a black hole. What happens next? Do you get stretched into oblivion, crushed by gravity, or transported to another dimension? Scientists have been puzzled by this cosmic mystery for decades, and today, we're diving deep into the unknown to uncover what really lurks inside black holes. Black holes are some of the most mysterious objects in the universe. They defy our understanding of physics, swallowing everything, including light itself. But what lies beyond the event horizon? Is there a hidden world inside, or does everything simply cease to exist? Let's explore the mind-bending theories that try to answer this question. Studying black holes is one of the biggest challenges in astrophysics. Since nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp, we can't directly see inside them. Scientists rely on mathematical models, indirect observations, and Einstein's theory of relativity to piece together the puzzle. The deeper we dive into the physics of black holes, the more reality itself starts to break down. Time slows, space warps, and the laws of nature no longer work the way we understand them. So what's actually inside a black hole? The first layer is the event horizon, the invisible boundary beyond which nothing can return. Cross this line, and you're trapped forever. Beyond that lies the singularity, a point of infinite density where all the mass of the black hole is concentrated. Some theories suggest that matter is crushed into an infinitely small point, but others propose that singularities might not exist at all. Now, here's where things get really wild. Some physicists believe black holes could be wormholes, tunnels through space-time leading to other parts of the universe, or even parallel realities. Others suggest they might contain baby universes where the Big Bang happens all over again inside. And then there's the holographic principle, which proposes that everything inside a black hole is just a projection on its surface. Could black holes be storing vast amounts of hidden information about the universe itself? Black holes remain one of the greatest cosmic mysteries. Whether they lead to new dimensions, collapse everything into nothingness, or store the secrets of the universe, one thing is certain: we have only scratched the surface of what we know. With future discoveries, we may finally unlock the true natures of these cosmic monsters. What do you think lurks inside a black hole? A portal? A new universe? Or just pure destruction? Share your theories in the comments. And if you love exploring space mysteries, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video on the strangest objects in the universe.